Hey pickleball lovers, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your home for honest gear reviews and expert insights from real players. I've been playing this game for years now, and trust me, it's one of the most addictive sports out there. Whether you're just starting or already smashing winners every weekend, having the right gear makes all the difference. So today, we're breaking down the top 5 pickleball accessories every player should own, the kind of gear that actually helps you improve, play smarter, and enjoy the game more. From better grip to faster cleanup, these tools are total game changers. And hey, before we jump in, all the products I'm about to mention are linked down below. So if you want to check out Amazon's best deals, make sure you scroll down to the description after the video. Let's get started. Number 1. The Professor's Carbon Cleaner. Keep in mind, only use this if you have a raw carbon-fibered paddle. If your paddle is made up of fiberglass, wood, or graphite, don't go for this because it's not going to work. The reason why it works for a raw carbon fiber specifically is because of the structure of the paddle. Within the carbon fiber, it makes up microscopic weaves that create tiny little pockets that get clogged up with different dirt and other materials. What this cleaner does is that it takes those air pockets, and if we scrub it on there, it can actually clean them up, opening up the pores within your paddle. Cleaning up those pores helps a ton with the spin you can actually put on the ball because the paddle becomes a lot grittier. In addition, keeping your paddle clean will allow it to be useful for a much longer period of time. I made this mistake early on when I first started playing because I didn't really take care of my paddle, and I saw this improve my performance dramatically, especially when it came to my serves and actually putting topspin on the ball. If you guys have a raw carbon fiber paddle, I highly recommend this specific cleaner because it's going to do wonders to your game. It also removes different scratches and marks on your paddle and can be used up to 1,000 times, so it's going to last a really long time. Number 2. Franklin Sport Pickleball Bag. This is actually the official pickleball bag of the US Open Pickleball Championships. There are multiple reasons why this bag stands out compared to a normal backpack. Number 1, it actually has a built-in hook so you can hang up your stuff while on the court instead of putting it on the ground. There are also 3 different pockets, so you can separate your paddles, balls, and personal belongings, making sure nothing rubs against your paddle. I actually have this bag myself, and it fits so much stuff. The strap is adjustable depending on which shoulder you want it on, making it easy to carry. It also comes in different colors, so if you're trying to be stylish on the pickleball court, this is the right bag for you. Number 3. Neo Badges Lead Tape. If you've ever played other sports like tennis or golf, lead tape is used there too, mostly to either help with control or increase power. If you want to increase your power, put the lead tape at the top of your paddle. If you're going for more control and stability, put it at the bottom. I personally prefer to use these for power because most of the power is centered around the middle of the paddle. Adding weight to the top changes the weight distribution. Those extra 3 grams can make a huge difference. Be careful to keep the same weight on both sides so the paddle stays balanced. The Neo Badges brand is great because their tape sticks really well and lasts a long time. You don't have to worry about it coming off. Number 4. The Picker Up for Pickleballs. If you've played tennis, you'll remember those ball tubes from lessons. This serves the same purpose. You don't have to bend down every time to pick up balls. It saves a ton of time, especially when you're practicing serves or drills, because you can hold up to 14 balls in one place. It's lightweight and has a shoulder strap, much better than those old heavy metal buckets we used to use in tennis. Really useful for practice or long games so you don't have to run all over the court to pick up balls. Number 5. Taurus Mega Attack Overgrip. This thing is extremely tacky, so if you have sweaty hands, you don't have to worry. These grips are used in tennis too, but Taurus makes great ones specifically for pickleball. They're very stable in your hand and last a long time. I've noticed that many paddles have grips that are too thick, but this one is thin, just 44 millimeters, giving an amazing feel. Most importantly, it gives you stability and durability. Many professional players use it, and you'll see it at pickleball tournaments. If you're looking for a solid grip, this is a no-brainer. And there you have it, my top 5 pickleball accessories that every player should own in 2025. Whether you're upgrading your setup or just getting started, each of these products can genuinely improve your gameplay and make your time on the court way more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next gear breakdown here on Consumer Heaven. And don't forget, all the products we talked about today are linked in the description below. Check out Amazon's best deals before they're gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep playing smart, keep playing strong.